Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check this out. This is cool. These people reached out to me and said, hey, we have a drone we would like you to check out. I have a drone. I think they're pretty awesome. They said this one is more awesome because it has built-in accident avoidance. So one of the big fears I have is we live on the side of a mountain, and when you fly this thing and you go up and you go over and you go up, well, you get up to a high enough spot, if you were to bring it down, it'd just crash right into the trees, into the forest. It doesn't know where home is. And so when we bring our drone home, there's always the risk that it's going to run into something. Well, these folks feel like they have solved that problem. We're going to try it out. And it is the AE8 EVO Intelligent Obstacle Avoidance model. And let's check it out here and see what it can do. Get it out of the box. There we go. Now on the box, it does say that it works with a variety of Android and Apple phones, so that shouldn't be an issue. And GPS guidance, triaxle mechanized stabilized pan and tilt, which is kind of cool. And HYTOBP OP. Not sure how that's pronounced, so I'm not going to try that one. But it does come in this nice little lunchbox container. That's cool. Let's get this thing opened up here. It's kind of a grippy feel to it. All right, we got some manuals. Little protective case here. I assume that's the main unit. We got it all packed in here pretty good. Okay. So, looks like in this one we've got some spare rotor blades, a screwdriver, and a USB to USB-C cable. This one here, our battery. LiPo high performance battery, 7.4 volts at 3400 milliamps. And the rated voltage is 5 volts out. Little plug right here for USB-C charging and a power bar down at the bottom there. Pretty well wrapped. Okay, here is the main unit, and it's that soft touch rubber. Does look like it takes some batteries in the back, although they may be rechargeable. Yeah, they're rechargeable. Down here at the bottom, USB-C. Does appear to have a cell phone holder, or are those antennas? I don't know, we'll have to see. Controls up at the top, pan and tilt probably, and controls on the front. And a digital screen, GPS mode, gimbal mode, up and down, so on and so forth. Ooh, it powers up. Oh, nice. Nice screen there with some stuff going on. Cool. Turn that back off right now. And I'm kind of curious, are these? I'm not sure what those are. Then there's another, looks like there's another container under here. Oh, there it is. Aha! So you put your phone in, hook your phone up to that, and it's got a little holder there, so that's cool. That's cool. Okay, that makes more sense. I was wondering about that. Nice. Trying to see if there's anything else of note here. Not really, but I'll just set that off to the side there. And then let's take a look at the main unit here. Cool little setup. All right, so good news is it comes with 2 batteries because there's one in there plus a second, so give you some extra run time, which is nice. I'll fold these wings out. Oh, I'm doing that all wrong, so let's fix that. There's a wing, there's a wing, there's a wing, there's a wing. So there is our completed unit. Battery goes in the back. Protective cover for our nice little camera there. And then here, not sure, we'll have to take a look. Excuse me. We'll have to take a look at what's up on top there, but it looks like there's some kind of additional wiring going there. All right, let's take a look at the manual here. The LW Pro APP manual. Oh, app. I'm smart, very smart. The app only allows you to connect one at a time. That makes sense. Control interface, functionality. Yeah, that's nice. This is quite a lot going on here. Definitely going to need some some time to go through all this, but looks like about, oh, I don't know how many pages was that. They aren't even marked. So I would say about 7 or 8 pages, I think is what I flipped through here, but that's that. And then we have the drone user guide as well. The AE8 14 plus. They're recommending this for young adults. And talks about charging, setting things up. How to take off. So I'll have, yeah, this is going to take some time for me to figure all this out, but with the magic of video editing, it won't seem like but a minute, and we'll take it outside and fire that up. 12 pages in English on the main unit with some stuff there, so pretty cool. So as far as the unit goes, it's a good size. This has got, you can see it kind of, it's got a gimbal on it, and then that goes up and down as well. So that's pretty neat. I don't know, lights probably has some lighting on there, but I can't see it. I imagine it's these little spots right there that are lighting. Battery itself comes out the back side. Looks like it doesn't pop off the bottom, just comes out the side. And a nice like protective pad for landing. It's got kind of landing gears here and here, so when it comes down, lands solid. It's pretty nice. And like I said, if you manage to bust a fan blade, drop, you can replace it with these here. That does come with it, and even has some extra screws in there, because if you're like me, you take everything apart, and if you're out in the field doing that, you are going to drop stuff, because that's exactly what I usually do. All right, well, I'm going to charge the batteries. Well, let's see, maybe this one's charged. Maybe we don't need to charge the batteries. Maybe we just need to read. Nah, this one's pretty well done. It's got 1 bar. I don't want to turn that on in here, but I probably also needs to be charged. So I'm going to charge both of these once they are charged up, and this too, just to make sure. We'll charge all of these up. We'll get the phone linked up to it, and we will get this thing going and see what kind of cool stuff it can do.
All right, it is Eric's turn to be playing with the drone right now. We'll see how well he does.
Takes off. Oh, gotcha. All right, here we go. If you can see it on the camera, but there is a storm coming in. You can kind of see it on the horizon. Isn't that an awesome shot? Let me get in there a little closer. Yeah, you can see the rain clouds coming in. How cool is that?
Nice smooth landing. And give Eric some credit, he's a much better drone flyer than I am. There we go. Pretty darn cool. Pretty darn cool.